Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and this is part 2, and I am going to add a land portion to my composition by filling a small container with colors I like. Prussian blue, that was a deep teal that I can't get anymore, and I'm sorry about that. That is an Additives metallic, I believe. I want some other colors. I wanted them to be somewhat, oh come on, more interesting than what I had, and I want a silver, and what would I have done with that silver? That silver is right there. Cool. And it's heavy. It's weird. It's time to put some more Floetrol in there. I think this time I'm going to risk some gold. Yes, cool. And I'm going to shovel this up. I think I'm going to have to put a little paint onto the canvas. Wow, everything is being super difficult. Fine. I bet I have a bronze color I could have used instead. That was a lump. I saw that lump. It's a big lump. Now I'm going to put some black in there. Actually, I want some of this color shifting purple from Folk Art, which is a purple flash, I believe. I want this to be a little different than some of the others. Do I put some green in or not? Maybe just a little. Let's see what happens. I know those purples look the same, but one is a flash and one is a neon, and they're not really the same. Alright, so it's time to pull out a shovel. Maybe it's time, that might be enough paint too. Maybe it's time to put some other paint on there, and that other paint would be, do I want gold? I kind of want gold. Maybe I'll do black and gold. I don't need a lot, but I don't mind having a weird background. I wonder if I often love using my OXO omelet turning spatula, available on the Amazon link under the Linktree link, just below the video. I think I'm going to let some of that go right over the edge right now. It occurs to me I could just leave the paint I'm putting on there, and that would be fine. But I made that other paint up, and so I'm going to use it. I can pull this OXO omelet turning spatula down until it comes up with a lip of paint. Now I'm going to scrape all of that right off along the bottom edge. Run my fingers along it and call it good. I might need an edge catcher around here. I really could just leave that. Wow. I like it. I hope I like what I'm about to do as much. That's pretty cool. I'm going to throw this spatula in the bucket. I'll show you guys. Please don't hate me if I ruin it. I'm going to try not to. So, who knows? I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint. I'm going to throw a little bit more black in here for a little more drama, and I could throw a little more silver in there because I don't see any. It seems to have sunk. Just a few splotches, a few dots here and there. I'll show you what that looks like before I start. Right there. So let's just grab some of that. Yeah, like I said, I can do this without tilting. Just keep my patterns, which are pretty slick, I gotta say right now. I can also tilt it so it goes down to the bottom and lands on an edge catcher and then comes back up again and looks neat. But I'm really liking what I've got, and I think I might just give myself permission to leave it. We'll see how these last few strokes go. I'm going to let that shovel drain right over the edge. Maybe tap it in a little. I got plenty of paint to use. That. Wow, I think I might have got away with that. I'm not sure. That, not so much. I don't like that. Alright, so that's kind of cool. Really, it is. I don't think I need a lot of anything else. I'm probably going to use my paint just because I have it. And I don't have time to use more paint. I don't have time for another artwork. So I'm going to grab all of that I can get out of there. Put it right here. Let my shovel drain. Let my fingers do the walking and stick some of that right along the bottom edge of the canvas. Not that it really needs it, but it's nice to make it cohesive. I'll look at anything in my sky, which is a really weird sky, but that's okay. This is very, very surreal anyway. I got to use my... Really? I guess I'll have some fix-it-ups tomorrow. I'm going to let my little pan drain on my Lullaby mat. If I can get some of my bottles out of the way, which is a tall order right now because there's a lot of them. And then I will torch. And usually I would move that paint around, but I like what I see so much. It just seems like every once in a while somebody agrees with me that I could have left something at a certain stage and I didn't do it. Now tomorrow I could put some little tiny clouds in there, just little pink wisps, and that might be just fine to cover up those little scars that you see in the sky. I will do something. This is just different. Different is good. This was play and experiments. Both of those things are very good. I'm making my paint smoke. I got all kinds of little... Yeah, I like the black and gold pills in the back. I could put stars in around. I don't know what, if anything, I'll do to this. I kind of want to take my spatula, and they're back. Mowing the lawn some more. All right, so I'm going to fix those right now. Because I can. Or at least I think I can. I like the idea that I might be able to. How about that? So I've got some clouds in the back. In the way back. And that's not hurting my feelings a bit. I can even put another cup. No, I don't want to put any at the top. Use that same color over there. Yeah, I don't mind that. One over here. One right there. And I see one, a good place for one right up at the top. I'm not sure I should do that, but I'm going to anyway. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, reminding you I do sell my artwork. Yes, I did just do that. That was a drop of water from somewhere. You can smooth this particular purple flash out and it will stay interesting. But it's probably a lot better when the paint underneath it isn't wet. So now I've got some clouds and I'm all done, and I want to tell you guys, thank you for sharing my videos, thank you for loving my video, thank you for liking my videos, give me a thumbs up pretty please. Thank you for the compliments, thank you for the donations that have kept me painting all this time. Remember that there is a exhibition video on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of any other video, and on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell anyway, and there's an opportunity to potentially win a painting there. What else should I tell you? Look for the link tree under the video. It'll have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook links for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More will take you to Shop Now. The Shop Now button will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, which are also on the link tree, so that's a little redundant. And what else? Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will have the wet and dry artworks that I have edited the pictures of so far. So I love you guys. There's 86,500 of you on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell. And if you haven't visited Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art, please come visit. There's only 400 subscribers there and no commercials until there's over 1,000 and 8,000 watch hours, and I am nowhere near that. So if you want to be of assistance, you could be of great assistance, and I love you guys dearly. I hope you come again. Look on the community board on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell for tomorrow's video, and look on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook for tomorrow's videos. I love you guys. I said that. What else? That's pretty much it. Oh yeah! 1,310 videos on creative playlists on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Priscilla Batzell. Organized by genres and topics and the 100. So have a binge on me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you. I know, I said it 4 times now. See you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Bye.